Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So I was trying to update BIOS for my MSI motherboard, and after copying the BIOS file on the USB stick on MFlash, it seems that the file is not displayed at all. So the USB stick is displayed here, Kingston Data Traveler, but on files there are no files. The BIOS file is just not displayed at all, and because of that, since I can't click on it, I can make the BIOS update. So why that happens and what can you do? Well, in my case it seems that MSI detects that the BIOS file is not the correct one for my motherboard, and in that case, even though a BIOS file exists on my USB stick, MSI will not display the file here, so I won't be able to update, which is great, because if you update with the wrong BIOS, it will break the motherboard. So what can you do if you have the same issue? Is to install CPU-Z, and on main board you should check the exact name of your motherboard. In my case, I have this one, which has V2, and initially I thought it was only this version without V2, and it seems that there are two different motherboards, and initially I copied the BIOS file for this one. Anyway, looks like this is the correct page for my motherboard. I went here on drivers and downloads, BIOS, and got the latest BIOS file for my motherboard. Copied the file again on the USB stick, then I rebooted, and from MFlash the file was displayed correctly. So in conclusion, if the file doesn't appear, it means that it's you have a wrong BIOS version copied on the USB stick, and you should not try to update with that one. You can eventually, if you're 100% that the motherboard you have the right file for your motherboard, maybe try to update to an older BIOS version, see if the file is displayed there. If no file is displayed, that means, as I said, that what you're trying to update is not compatible with with your motherboard. In that case, maybe try to contact MSI or the company that made the motherboard. Alright, so this was the video. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.